throughout this day. Guide us in all we do and say at home, at school. Help us to love you, Lord. Take us safely to our home. We ask all this in your name. Amen.
If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. But if you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. With this thought, let's sing our school anthem together.
You're in competition with the entire world. Everyone wants to escape. Everyone wants to escape.
Here I should have moved from class 10C and we did the average brain of a human being in a year's about. I'd like to call Neetu to deliver today's news headlines. International news. Russia unleashes new missile ICBM test launch. National news. PM Modi signs 71,000 employment. Nirmala Sitaram, the finance minister, says India is concerned with educational tools from 28th of April to 7th May. Second, this is going on, so kindly interested.
To see the assembly of class 10C, you might have seen they have not used a single piece of paper, even for their use also. No doubt they were allowed to use the piece of paper